So hi everyone, today I'll be explaining to you the email and SMS marketing, how to create and send email campaigns using the Zapify IO email marketing tool. So first is go to email, I go to marketing, then emails, and then click new campaign, enter your subject line, sender name, and select your contact list or smart list. Then use the drag and drop email builder to design your email, then choose to send now or schedule it for future date and time. So, since we are already here sa marketing, so ang marketing makita lang nimo diri sa menu. You just scroll down, then press marketing, then automatically you'll go to social planner, then click emails. Then once you are here at emails, click campaign. Then once na naka sa campaign, click new. Then magbuhat og blank design editor. So mo na tong pilion. So since naka-start from scratch naman ka, so mo na ni imong kuan, mo na ni imong UI nga makita. So mag-start from scratch ka nga mag-build ka og mga designs nimo. So it's either mag-build ka o mga design. So as you can see here, pwede nimo na siya i-edit, magbutang kag header nimo. Then you can also drag designs here. So lang ka og unsay gusto nimo nga designs, then assist unsa ba. Then also once you are done, you can also send or schedule it para if mag-schedule ka, you can use it for future and date and time. Then if mag-choose po kag send now, so directly masend mo siya karon dayon. So that would be all. Thank you.